Welcome. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute core workout. Let's begin. Lying down. Knees are bent, feet are flat, hands behind the head. Crunches, straight up and down. Almost done. And done. Full body stretch. Bend the knees. Feet are flat. Hands behind the head. Extend the left leg long. Right elbow to the knee 20 times. 1, 2. Keep going. Halfway there. Eighteen, 19, and 20. Let's go right to the other side. Right leg extends and cross. Halfway. And done. Full body reach. Stretch the core. Bend the knees. Feet are flat. You can have your hands behind your head. Some people just like to hold them out in front. We're going to tuck elbows to knees and down. 20 times. Halfway. Almost done. And finish. Full body reach. Roll up, lift your arms overhead, And you can keep the knees soft. Let's round the spine, fold forward. Sit up. Find a comfortable seat. Sit up tall. And let's reach the arms overhead. Twist to the right. Sit up tall. Reach through center. Arms lift. Twist to the left. Closing breath. Reach the arms wide overhead. Reach up, lengthen. Hands lower down. Thank you. Namaste.